I'm gonna show you how to secure your account in Axiom Trade. So to get started, all you have to do is just sign into your account and go to this website right here. And then once you signed in into your account, all you have to do is just click on the button right above the right corner right here. And then once you click on that, just click on account and security. And then once you click on account and security, you will be redirected to this page right here. And then to secure your account, all you have to do is just click on Google first, of course. Right here, you will see it right above here. All you can do is just click on your Google account first. And then you have the option to connect also your wallet or collect your email via Google, of course. It's either Google or also you can secure your account by clicking on recovery key or the wallet first. Make sure that you've verified via Google. So after that, you can click on recovery key to secure your account. By clicking recovery key, they will show you the phrase or your secret recovery phrase. So you need to copy that on a piece of paper or save it elsewhere. So that's it. That's how you secure your account on Axiom.